Biology. We are here to ask some questions regarding mental health po. What's your name po?
I am Jomel Hontonares po. I'm a 4th year BS Biology student of Pangasinan State University, Lingayen Campus.
So ito po yung first question ko, Kuya, about sa academic pressure and stress. Can you describe how academic pressure affects your mental well-being and how you usually cope with the stress it brings?
Usually, academic pressure is really a stress naman talaga. So, it's a matter of your perception na lang din on how you perceive that academic pressure and how will you use it to utilize yourself, parang self-realization lang din na, uy, napapressure na ako, uy, na-stress na ako. It's up on your coping mechanism like siguro relaxing and taking things a little bit slow na lang para alam mo rin kung paano mo i-manage yung emotions mo. And ako kasi naniniwala ko na rationality over emotion. So parang dapat alam mo kung paano i-manage yung emotions mo and how will you use your rationality para hindi mag-overcome yung emotions mo din sa'yo.
About naman po sa limited awareness of mental health resources. Are you aware of the mental health resources available in your school or community, and do you think they are sufficient?
Yes, I guess. Yes. Familiar naman tayo, meron tayong admission and guidance office dito. So, anytime we can approach naman the admission and guidance office if we think now we need help na rin sa ating mental health. And I think that was sufficient kasi it takes the courage of you para mag-seek ka ng help about your mental health. Parang hindi lang yun dapat, hindi mo siya kinikip. Parang we need to be open about our mental health then. So, we need to seek professional guidance then. So, it's up to us to utilize the resources that we have no matter how small it is.
So the third question is the stigma and stigma. Why do you think some people hesitate into seeking out for mental health issues, and how do you think we can break the stigma?
Number one problem is judgment. Kasi kapag sinabi nilang mental health issues, sasabi nila, ay psychotic ka, ay baliw ka, ganyan. And we need to break that stereotype since lalo tayo, Gen Z tayo, we have the technology, we have the sufficient resources, and binibigyan tayo ng knowledge na kailangan natin and awareness about sa mental health. So, we as Gen Zs, tayo dapat yung mag-initiate na i-open na rin sa, hindi lang sa kapwa natin Gen Zs, kundi sa lahat ng older generations pa na mental health is a must and it must not be avoided or parang i-ignore natin.
Is all about impact of financial and or personal issues. In your own experience po, how do financial or personal challenges influence your mental health? And what support do you wish was more accessible?
Financial, syempre, na-stress tayo lagi kapag wala naman tayong pera, right? So, syempre, pera yan, babalik, aalis. So, parang nandyan lang siya, hindi siya ganong, for me, in my experience, hindi naman ganong nagiging issue ang financial in terms of my mental health. What matters is yung personal issue since we all have naman insecurities on ourselves, the pressure, yung yan, mga ganyang na pressure, basta yun, ganyan. Tapos, yun yung nagiging problem na yun. And yun nga, dapat mag-seek tayo ng help. Hindi lang sa professional, but syempre meron din tayo matasandalan like our friends, like our family, yes. So, syempre, i-utilize din natin kung ano yung meron tayong resources para ma-address din natin yung mental health issues na nai-experience natin.
Mga pala si Carl Lawrence Bautista sa second year PSI section.
So, may unting katanungan ako ang tungkol sa mental health. The question is, can you describe how academic pressure affect your mental well-being and how you usually cope with the stress?
So, yung academic is nakakapagkita sa akin sa mental health. Pressure sometimes it can cause me anxiety or sometimes depression, but I can cope it with I can watch funny videos like that, and then other hobbies like arts, music, listening music. But sometimes friends can cope with the challenges that why do you think some people hesitate to seek out for mental health issues? And how do you think we can break this? Kasi minsan, yung mga tao, ayaw nilang sabihin sa family, sa kanila. Kasi minsan na, mas mabuti sila sa loob nila ng kaysa ilabas nila. Kasi minsan, kapag lalabas mo pa, sabihin mo sa kanila, is parang judge ka pa nila, na parang ayaw mo sa kanila. Kasi pag iba na yun. And then I think how to love yourself, and then love your surroundings, love your friends, and acceptance.
Our last question is, in your experience, how do financial or personal challenges influence your mental health and what support do you use most?
So, sa experience sa financial and personal challenges, through my social, human mental health is sometimes financially is not enough. Kasi sa problema, parang hindi sumasapat kaya mag-isip ko ulit or mag-ulit ang mental health, madadagdagan ng yung family, dagdag na naman sa family, then focus siya ng sa ayos din, kasi nga hindi mo alam kung saan pagkuha mo kasi financially, we're not enough. And then, sa support, I think the more accessible thing is the family support kasi the family is the foundation. Foundation, diba? Sabi nila. And then, that's all. Family is